Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the LG TV and the console. Make sure the console is on the HDMI input you plan to use. Next, grab the magic remote and press the settings gear to open Quick Settings. If a firmware update prompt appears, accept it now. Updates often add or fix game mode features. Once done, navigate to All Settings. This gets you right into the menus where game mode and HDMI settings live, so you can change them precisely. You should now go into All Settings, then Picture, and find Game Mode or Game Optimizer. Turn it on. This reduces processing and lowers input lag. Make sure the HDMI port used is set to Ultra HD Deep Color in Inputs or General Settings, because that allows full bandwidth for 4K at 120Hz and HDR. Finally, enable VRR or FreeSync and any low-latency HDMI features. These work with compatible consoles to reduce stutter and keep your gameplay responsive and fluid. You finish by switching to the game input and looking for the game mode indicator or controller icon on screen. That confirms settings took effect. Then launch a fast-paced game or a latency test and confirm the console output is 60 or 120Hz as expected. If anything goes wrong, no icon, stutter, or no HDR, first update firmware, then swap to another HDMI port or use a certified high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable, reboot both devices, and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.